Hi everyone and welcome to the delightful Can Truy. We are in the west of Ibiza today, and what we have here is a genuine Ibizan finca that has been reformed and renovated to such beautiful standards to create a modern family home. We're in Can Tomas, which for me is one of the more underrated parts of this island. We're very close to San Rafael. We're easy access to Ibiza town and San Antonio. Yet all around me are gorgeous countryside views and peace and quiet. And to the house itself, well, this used to be the old olive oil press for the area, and now we have 5 gorgeous bedrooms, open plan living and dining, a modernised kitchen, and gorgeous gardens full of vegetation all around me. We have a child-friendly swimming pool, a kids' play area, numerous dining spaces, and fantastic views. This house also, with the all-important touristic rental licence, means that you may be looking for a perfect family home, but if you require some additional income as well, this will give it to you. Let's go and have a look around.